on an USO in town.
Pwy?
Out of town now. Straight as a bat. Special appointment gan y gyfna I sortio'r wing allan.
Be am deal ni?
Deal's off.
Chdi oedd eisiau cadw prying eyes I ffwr.
And now they're here. So every man for himself. Ond, word of warning, Hardy. But I gofyn am ti. So I'd watch myself if I was you.
Be ti'n gorau ddall ydi, fi eisiau rhedeg bethau fel ma, dim chdi. Di un sgrw arall, ddim am newid hynna.